dyan na talaga, kasal na talaga ang puntahan mo. I just wanna let you know I'm so happy for you, first of all. Second, thankful ako at least meron nakita mo na talaga ang partner mo sa buhay na, you know, nandyan alagaan ka or something kay ni Sean. And congratulations, I'm so happy for you, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. And Brad, ingat lang palagi at saka alagaan mo asawa mo. Isipin mo, may pamilya ka na, so family first before friend after that, diba? Like, so fast, like 2 years ago, nag-usap tayo kung kasalin pa ba tayo or hindi na, pero ngayon nagdating na talaga na kasalin na talaga tayo. I'm so happy. And I just want to say congratulations sa asawa mo. Just small of advice, you know, dapat taasan mong pasensya mo. You know, kasi siyempre asawa mo nasa politics or something like that. Basta, always put God sa relation nyo. Pag-usapan nyo anong problema, huwag kayong padalsa sa mga desisyon. Basta dito lang ako sa inyo palagi. If you guys need something, advice or kausap, dito lang ako para sa inyo. Ingat kayo palagi. Miss you guys.
Congrats! Congrats, Toots! Congratulations! Kuya, I'm really sorry I cannot be there to see you marry the love of your life. Pero gaya nga ng sabi mo, naintindihan mo ako, so thank you very much. May nakapagsabi sa akin na marriage is a commitment from one heart to another. And I know that you're ready to honor that commitment forever. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Hope you have a long, married, and happy life together forever. And to you, lady, welcome to the family. And hope to see you soon and to meet you soon.
Love and kisses on your wedding day. Mwah! Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Tol, kamusta na? Congrats. Congrats sa inyong dalawa ni Lady. At Lady, welcome to the family. Pasensya na, hindi namin nakapunta. Siguro, soon. Dito tayo ha. Sige, Tol.
Sa kasal nyo ni Lady, and sayang hindi kami makauwi, pero see you soon. Sige, ingat.
Hi Kaz, congratulations sa isa sa pinaka masaya sa araw ng buhay mo. Congratulations, finally, you know, nahanap ko din yung babae para sa'yo. Super happy ako sa sa'yo, I swear. So, para sa maging kasama mo din, Lady, congratulations. Magmaanan kayo. I miss you guys, ingat.
Hi Kaz, J2 and Lady, congratulations. Wish you all the best and happiness and kids soon.
Hello Kuya Toads, congrats sa inyo ni Lady. Sorry hindi kami nakauwi pero bawi na kami next time kuya. So yeah, I wish you guys all the best and ingat kayo dyan lagi. Thank you. Thank you ako. Hello Kuya Toots, congrats sa inyo ni Lady. Sorry hindi kami nakauwi, mga tres manyakis. Pero bawi na kami next time kuya, promise yan. So yeah, I wish you guys all the best and ingat kayo dyan all the time. Bye.
Congrats Kuya and Lady, sayang di ko na-witness yung special din ng buhay nyo. Mabait at mabuti kang tao, Kuya, and a great dad to Sean, and of course, handsome. You deserve to be happy. Welcome to the family, Lady. Best wishes, spread the love, and hashtag my forever.
Kuya Toots, congratulations sa iyo at kay Lady. Best wishes sa inyo. Sorry hindi kami nakauwi. Kaming tatlo ni Jack at Chanel, pero bawi na lang kami sa iyo next time. O kaya kung gusto nyo magpunta dito, kami bahala sa inyo dito.